Hey everyone, this is Adedayo, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to use the latch button. Let's go.
Now, what is a latch button? The latch button helps keep the function active even after you release the keys or controller. Let me show you.
So first thing you want to do is click on the program and click on the app drum. When you get into this place, what we want to talk about first of all is the latch button. So that pretty much works when you have the arpeggio on. So you have the arpeggio on and the latch button. So for example, that's with the arpeggio on. Now let's put on this latch button. When we play, so let's use it together. Let's go.